Hello, I'm Nguyễn Hoàng Việt from Team 7, joined by Đỗ Phan Nhật Ánh, Nguyễn Hoàng Tấn, and Phạm Hoàng Long. Our team developed a compact e-commerce platform catering to both buyers and sellers. In the next few minutes, I'll be walking you through the system that delivers a seamless shopping experience for users, while providing sellers and warehouse administrators controls over their products and categories. Let's dive in. First, let's take a look at the login and register link, which you can access by clicking on login or register within the nav links. This is the login form, which prompts you to enter email or password to log in, or you can choose to register and as a customer or a seller. This will be the registration form for customer, and this one is for a seller. It's very intuitive and simple, just like any other e-commerce platform on the market. Now let's log into the warehouse admin dashboard. And this is the category management. At first glance, you see buttons prompting for the addition of a new category and its attributes. The accordion layout neatly organizes category. And for each category, there's an array of quick action buttons letting the admin modify or even add child categories. If the parent contains children categories, is nested under one another, which keep things tidy. The admin can also add attributes to a category by clicking on this button, and a model will be displayed following by the list of available attributes. Next up, seller management. Here we have categories for sellers, pending requests, approved, and rejected. Each seller's key details are listed. Admins can either approve or reject sellers' requests with just a click. It's all about quick decision and clear layouts, ensuring admin can oversee sellers effortlessly. Now on to customer. Within the homepage, the customer can browse through a catalog of the products, and they can narrow their search with category selection and use the search bar as well to filter for their specific product. If they want to place an order, just click on the product. You see the product details over here, and you can select quantity, add to cart, and go to this cart icon over here to see the order summary. They can also go to the customer dashboard, and within here, you'll see like the full summary and the products that you place in your cart. After clicking on confirm purchase or place order within the cart page, they can go to my order. This is the order management where the customer can track their past orders. It's designed with clarity in mind, so orders are neatly displayed in an accordion format, showing their status. Clicking on an order gives a deeper dive with detailed product cards. Okay, last but not least, the seller's dashboard. Product management is the highlight of the seller's dashboard, and they can see their product listing. Offering over categories, they'll see attributes. This is done to make sure that the UI displays all the information cleanly and accordingly. Over here, you see the operations for update and delete. Update, date, and delete uses a similar model form, and in here you can fill out all the necessary details for products creation. And this is the model form for updating the product. Now let's dive into orders management. Sellers can view orders in a neat accordion setup with clear statuses and detailed product cards. Sellers can track and manage orders. A glance gives the order's overall status, but clicking reveals the detailed status of each product. It's organized and streamlined for maximum efficiency. Lastly is a sales statistics corner, which gives the sellers a snapshot of their performance with clear counts of various order statuses. Now I'm going to pass it on to Long so that he can demo all the functionalities of this web application and the backend.
For the server-side design, we are following an MVC pattern of controller, router, and service methods. Controller is for validating the input from the server, from the client, before actually passing them into the service. So for example, this user controller, when I register user, it will validate all of these fields, and it makes sure that they are not empty and therefore they are validated. And then it will pass into the service method. The service method is for modifying the database. This user create will save the user account into the MongoDB server. That is basically what the interaction between the controller and the service. And the router, we have router. Router is for defining the route so the server can call them and they will run all these controller method, and controller method will direct to the service method to modify the server data. And we have model. In the model, we define the data format of every component in our application, like the seller model, product model, order model, and customer model, category model, and cart model, attribute model as well. And in the middleware, there is authentication method this is for generating access, validating access token to make sure to validate who is logging in and what permission does that person have. This is the simple design of the simple description of our application server design with the project demo. So at first I need to start the server and the client first. npm start. npm run dev. Here. And I can open the application. So this is our application. The user can log in with their email or their phone with a password. So let me log in with an admin first. For admin can manage seller in the system. He can approve seller or reject seller. So every time a seller is created, their status will be pending and there'll be a list of seller here. And admin can edit seller as long as they wish. For example, list tree and set business, I can approve them again, although yeah. And then I can just reject them. The data will be automatically updated to the database. Besides, admin can manage the categories. You can add a category, you can add attribute to that category. He can add attribute in the system and then he can manage it. And later he can add attribute to that category. For example, here I can add something to maybe I can add resolution to electronic. So I can add, I cannot modify because there are already product in the system that have electronic category. But I can do it with maybe phone. So I can add the phone can have resolution, so I can add it. Oh, there's already phone products. So test category, and I can define a base attribute for it, like here. Maybe weight. Add that. Yeah. I can add children as well with a name. Maybe test category 2. And here I have a category 2. This category 2 will have all the attribute of the parents. So I cannot add another attribute that already exists in the parent. So let me go to the seller. Seller can manage products. He can sort his product by the name, price, or day added. you can add a new product. That's why I want to add a new laptop. Laptop there. So a normal laptop. And I can select attribute for example. I can select laptop. A traditional laptop. Maybe I can maybe color is black and these fields are required, so I cannot submit without filling this attribute. But I can submit without giving a color because color is not required. Full HD and window. Yeah, new laptop is added, and I have order management and sales statistic. This is the order that a customer have placed. I can view the product detail or customer detail here. I can ship or cancel it. So I can just ship here. And just ship. Customer. Customer can browse product. Oh, in this customer, I already have a cart, so it will automatically update it. For example, I don't have any product. I just clear cart and I log out. And I try to add a teddy bear, maybe another laptop. I have a card here, and I go when I log in. The local storage will automatically update to customer card. Then I can proceed to place order. I just place an order. So here's my order. These are the thing that I just ordered. So I can accept it. And yeah, that's the order management, and I can view. Yeah, that's basically it. That's all. Thank you for watching.